Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. Today it's going to be about 40 degrees and we have wind coming from the west, but I should be sheltered and I think I can get the rest of the house wrap on today. First, I got to take these two. I got Tater and Izzy. Got to take these two on their walk. She thinks I'm going to throw this big stick, but that's not happening. I'll take these guys on their walk and then get to work right away. I have maybe 4 hours that I can get this done, so I really need to get hustling. Yeah, the shelter looks okay. The only problem from the wind was this falling a little bit, but other than that, so far so good. We wanted to see if we could get away with just not having a door on the back here. It gets way too expensive to keep buying doors for this thing. Seems to be working so far. This is, to keep a little protection for the tractor and try to keep some of the leaves out, but I think the leaves are coming from the other side. You see a lot of cat footprints around here. Hopefully they're keeping the mice down. So what I have here is the last of the lower slats. You need to go up, big girl. There you go. Which go on here. I went up on the roof. I moved the ladder to the other side. Went up there and measured over to the first slat. So I just got to duplicate that. Then from there, they're 14 inches apart. So I can get those in fairly quick. So what I'm going to do is try to get those in and then have a real quick lunch. Then I'll start on the lower house wrap. Then how did I do it on the other one? Little strip here, little strip at the end, and then I could do the upper house wrap. In all likelihood, it's not going to get done today, but tomorrow is roughly the same with the about 40 degrees, but I think I might have wind coming from the northwest, which is it's roughly that direction, which is gonna blast me full on, which is not going to be pleasant. Yeah, it's already unpleasant on this side of the house because you don't have any sun, but I'll just dress up nice and warm, my double coat, both insulated, and a hat, and get her done. that's it for right now. I'm gonna go have lunch and then come back and start cutting those. Okay, that's going to wrap it up for today. it got really windy all of a sudden. I don't know how much you can see that, but every once in a while that skinny little oak there is whipping way back and forth. But regardless, it's a bit too windy to go up on the roof and do the next stuff. So that'll wait till tomorrow. It's also very cold out here now that the wind picked up. So I will definitely get her done tomorrow. That'll be great. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe and click on the update icon. And if you have any questions or comments, make sure you put them in the comment section below. And if you share and or like the video, it helps the channel greatly. Thanks for watching and have a great day.